You don't go diving in like that. Flag has stayed down here. Chimaviro could be in here. Chimaviro's still here. Chimaviro scores! Ranga Chimaviro opens the scoring for Kaizer Chiefs with his... Rather one-sided. Now the ball over the top again. Needed to get something on that one. Chance here now. It's opened up and they've got the equalizer. 3-3 for Ribeiro Costa.
Ability to start the attack, and in that instance, trying to find Serena.
Cut back, here's a chance for Rangers. Oh! They have turned it around. Chiefs are also preparing a change of their own. It looks like it's Mfundo Vilarazi that might be the first to come on. The first is free kick. Floated in. Oh, what a header! What a save from Africa's best! Ronwen Williams! Wonderful football around. He's slowly but surely regaining his confidence, which I thought had taken a bit of a knock. There's a flag, a stayed down. Two players in here. One-on-one. Two players. Can't finish it. Oh, the block again on the line. Oh, how did that stay out? What the... Full of Lagas. Obrigado, they call him. Hangs one back to the back post. No one arriving there. Oh, late. Oh, Ronwen Williams. Ronwen Williams, you miser.
Obrigado, wa go dirang ka yone. A ba romela obrigado. Tsela ka le bokwa. Bona! Ke le bokwa le go le bella gore ba re offside. Kgotsa ba re motshameko o fedile. Mme motshameko o fedile kgwele le mo le founga. Ga ke gone go tlhaloganya fa. Ba ba kolopa ba ratile ba latedi ba Chiefs. Are bone ka motsamayo ka tilenga. Obrigado a romela kgwele. Ekete ba re kwa khurumeditse. Ba khurumeditse Chiefs. O tanda le dipuo tse dintsi motshameko. Ke lebeletse motsereganye ga ke tsubuisela le mang. Hela wa itse rena VAR. Okay, le sengwe. Ya go tlhoka difareke kere binoculars.
We are starting with the conference. Welcoming Coach Nabi, and please just give us summary of what happened in the 90 minutes, Coach.
Je pense qu'on a, merci, thank you, welcome. Je pense qu'on a vu un bon match aujourd'hui. C'est un match où il y avait de l'intensité, où il y avait des opportunités de marquer, de l'engagement. C'était franchement un bon match par rapport au début de la saison.
Thank you so much. What I can say, we offered a very good game, and we did have opportunities to score. But
the game today is good. Is for the two teams. We cleared all the teams. The tempo is very high, and we create much opportunities for the two teams. I don't talk for myself. So.
What was saying, the game was a beautiful game, not only on the side of the Chiefs, but both teams, they offered a good spectacle, and it was intensive. They did have opportunities, but they didn't achieve or didn't score much, but it was very good as they are starting the season.
Yes, the game. I talk the game, not for Kaizer Chiefs.
Thank you very much.
No, because it's very important. I don't talk for my team, I talk generally for the game. I think the tempo for the game is high tempo, opportunities, sometimes lovely footballs. It's good for starting for the league. The third match in the league, I think, is good for the two teams.
Were we able to capture the coach talking? We will continue.
To answer you correctly, I would not want to give this one to Coach Nabi first. I would first want to give it to Athazwane, because I think Athazwane is the one who unveiled a lot of these players to us, and he gave them opportunities. It's these players that took Chiefs to the final of the Champions League, if you remember very well. And unfortunately, the change of leadership then brought them a little bit backwards. And I do believe had these players continued from that time up until now, by now they would be highly respected, because they showed very early that they had something different. But I must also say I appreciate the fact that Coach Nabi has realized that sometimes we get stuck in this thing of players having experience or not having experience. But sometimes you must just throw the players into the deep end and see what they can do. And I must say I appreciate that, more especially coming from a foreign coach, to say, let me not hear what the media and the public is saying about these players. Let me just give them an opportunity and see. And all of them are coming up nicely. I was impressed by Duba, I was impressed by Shabalala, impressed by Vilagazi, impressed by Uzwane. All these boys are doing very well. And for them to grow and become seasoned players, they must get opportunities like this. And hopefully they'll also get the same opportunities against us.
That thing, I don't know if, let's say, because today when I come to the stadium, I come around past 12. What I saw would tell me. I was driving the car with tell me. So we are coming there, the robot, there next to Shell Garage.
Yes.
There's a car for policemen. It was Toyota Hilux.
Yes.
Then the second car, it was a Polo Silver.
Sure.
At the back, it was me. And then at the back, it was Sundown. Sundown is his car.
Yes.
So when we check those cars, it was a referees on the Silver Polo. Coming to officiate Chiefs and versus Sundown.
So late.
Past 12. So ask time, so why Sundown's car is here with the referees. So, but this result, me, I don't know. No, Sundown is a move. It was scored. Poisa, SAPS vehicle, referee, Sundowns, then me at the back. So this result doesn't shock me because I saw Sundowns buy this game.
So my question is that for how long will Sundowns continue to buy referees in South Africa? We said this season we want a competitive season.
Yes.
The least they will do, they must allow nature to take its course and not bring their money. Do you understand? So with all the powers vested upon me, as a fan with fans, I am calling for Robben Island to be opened with immediate effect. Someone must go and hold in Robben Island. You understand? Yes, I equal. Now we cannot be abused. People, yes, they have got their money, but they cannot stretch their financial muscles every time when they come here.
I'm back with another video. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. So guys, I've my concerns by different people with different views regarding the game with Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. So coach bayisholo ke bayikhulumela ke nabo ngendlela yabo on both sides. So iMamelodi Sundowns head coach Mnqithi had to go at Kaizer Chiefs following his side 2-1 win over Amakhosi on Saturday afternoon. Also the 53-year-old coach won his third straight league match to maintain top spot. The match however was filled with drama after Kaizer Chiefs had their last minute goal cancelled by the referee. Abantu abaningi ke ngalesi senzo salo referee bayakhala kakhulu bathi ke imatch ibukeka ngathi ke noma igame ngathi ke ithengwe yona ke iSundowns. So speaking after the match, Mnqithi ke thanked the supporters and he said thanks to our supporters who came in numbers to support us or our team, he said on SuperSport TV. Unfortunate for the Kaizer Chiefs fans, but they came in numbers. We appreciate that. He also added that even if they didn't get the results, but at least they had the crowd and they are also going home with some nice flags. I like those flags. Thank you. Joke fans Kaizer Chiefs. So bathi-ke laphana-ke Amakhosi head coach naye-ke ube nombono wakhe noma uke wabeka-ke indlela azizwa ngayo regarding imatch le yangawo-ke umgqibelo. So Unabi yena was left frustrated with the match officials. The club's technical team was seen protesting Sundowns' second goal, which replay shows that Lucas Ribeiro was marginally offside. Utege Unabi, I'm surprised in South Africa we don't work with VAR. It's impossible in Morocco, Tunisia, and in North Africa. Unabi, coach Kaizer Chiefs. Uthema iqhubeka ke a big country like South Africa with a big federation and national team, and we don't work with VAR. Kahle kahle ke kuyamthusa lokho kakhulu, futhi ke isifiso sakhe ukuthi engathi ke iSouth Africa nayo ingaba yenye yamazwe abalwa ekuthenini ke asebenzise ke iVAR. Having gotten past Chiefs, Mnqithi has relieved the pressure he was faced with, having taken over from Rulani Mokwena in July. Some fans were skeptical of Manqoba's capabilities of leading Sundowns. Hence ukwazi ukuthi ke agcine according to ama allegations ke ethenge o referee ukuze ke ezokwazi ke ukuwina le game, because I think ke na leyo pressure leyo ke akade nayo was one of the reasons maybe ke amleadele ekuthenini ke agcine enza lesenzo esenzile, noma ke igame igcine ke idayiswa ngendlela ke edayiswe ngayo. Kahle kahle ngathi ukuthi ke thina sikufisayo ukuthi ke usitshele la, usazise la kwi-comment section ukuthi wena ke ubona engathi ke igame ibe fair, and if ever it was not fair, tell us ukuthi ke ikuphi okubone ke kungekho fair, and ikuphi ke okubone futhi kungahambisani nomthetho ke walo ibhola lapha ke kuyona ke igame yayo ke Mamelodi Sundowns ke ibhekene nayo iKaizer Chiefs ngalo leyasuku long Saturday. Anyway, do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to Chief Result TV News. So on the other hand, we have Sports Minister Gayton MacKenzie, who has joined at the call for the introduction of VAR in South African football. So this comes after Saturday's game between Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns, where the Soweto Giants were hit with a sucker punch in their 2-1 loss of the champions. So with the score level of 1-1, lapayana ke siyakumbula sibonile futhi kithi ngama last minute ke kwa no cover ke kwayo ke iMamelodi Sundowns, but then ke Kaizer Chiefs ithe futhi mayizama ke ucover ke ileso score sika 2-1, and then ke kwagcina ke kwenzeka ngalendlela kwenzeke ngayo. So lapha kuthiwa ke with the score level at 1-1, uRainers lapha scored to put iSundowns to 2-1 up, and ke kwase kwenzeka ukuthi ke ama replays after show the Lucas Ribeiro was miles offside in that or in the lead up, and the referee's assistant was in the perfect place to pick it up. So kunye ke yiko lokho okulide ekutheni ke kugcine kube nokudideka ke phakathi ke kwama fans o coach, even ngisho nabo ke abanye ke babasebenzi ke abasebenza khona lapha ke kuzona ke ezebhola abafana nabo o referee or abantu ke aba behind the scenes lapha ke kuma camera. So okusho Gayton MacKenzie uthi ke all football loving fans know that the time for VAR it has arrived ke la South Africa, noma ke football yakhona la South Africa. Uthi ke we need VAR and we need it now. Those meetings start now because we are not a 10th world country. I shall report back soonest after meeting SAFA and the PSL this week. And later in the game after ukhuluma kwakhe lapha uGayton MacKenzie, but later in the game a goal that looked like a stoppage time equalizer by Kaizer Chiefs ekoroyi lapha uMiguel was correctly chalked off. Ngamanye amazwi ke alibalwanga ngenxa yokuthi ke ube umuntu ke othathwa njengoba offside, of which ke leyo nto leyo ke abantu abaningi ba against yona bathi ke ube ngekho nhlobo offside. However, it was initially thought to be another bad decision by the Chiefs, as faithful and abamizali laphana ke were launched at the officials after the game. That means ke ama officials were attacked by ama fans laphana ke khona stadium. Both decisions have led to more calls for the introduction of VAR, and on Sunday, Sports Minister MacKenzie vowed to get it sorted very soon. So I'll quote him a few ikumagama awakhulumile noma ke into ke azishilo. All football loving fans know that the time for VAR has arrived in South African football. Kusho ke uMacKenzie lapha ku X uthi ke futhi mayiqhubeka, we need VAR and we need it now, and those meetings start now because we are not a 10th world country. I shall report back as soonest after meeting SAFA and PSL this week. Kusho yena futhi uminister ekade eqhubeka ne speech sakhe njengoba sike sasho la ngenhla. So last month ke siyakhumbula lapha ke ukuthi ke iOL Sports iye ya report lapha ke emayelana neindaba ke zayo ke VAR, and we remember futhi ukuthi akaqala ukukhuluma ngalento ke lapha ke uMinister Gayton MacKenzie ukuthi ke usazoqhubeka even ngisho usafa na ke kwakulindwe ukuthi ke uthathe isinqumo sokuthi ke ngabe ukulungele yini ukuthi ke usenga introduce i-VAR lapha na kuyona ke i-Premier Soccer League yakhona la eSouth Africa. So bekusathulekile up to now njengoba seqhamuka futhi lesigameko ekube isigameko esisheshayo ngale ndlela isimanga ukuthi ke kugcine kutholakale i-VAR khona la eSouth Africa. Uthi ke one of the things thought to be holding up its implementation lapha ke i-VAR but imali. According to the report, it would cost around 1.2 million and 1.5 million to train 16 to 20 officials lapha ke ukuthi ke asebenzise i-VAR. On top of that, there is the cost per session to use the technology lapha ke njengakuphi eMorocco and Egypt. They are reportedly paying up to 23 million per season for ukusetshenziswa kwayo ke i-VAR. Do you think i-VAR ingakwazi ke ukuthi ke i-apply noma ke i-implement la eSouth Africa? If you have something different to say regarding i-VAR and its implementation la eSouth Africa, you can comment on the section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to also comment regarding Mamelodi Sundowns nowina kwayo mhlambe ke nokunye ke uke wakhulunywa ke uyena Manqoba Mnqithi after their win ne-Chiefs ukuthi ke ngabe leyo nkulumo ke agcine eyenza kwi-media ke bekufanelekile ukuthi ke ayenze ngalendlela ke akhulume ngayo. Do you think he was fair? If ever not ke, why do you think he was not fair mayelana ne-speech as delivered? Anyways, do like this video. Thank you.